Okay, the second question, which is, what type of products do you really need in your hair routine? Now, this is a good question. And what I would suggest is you definitely need a moisturizer. Like, that is the main thing your hair needs. Oh, and water. I feel like, I'm not sure if it's with everyone, but I grew up always being told, you're not supposed to put water in your hair. No, water is good. See your hair as a plant. It needs water. And it's great because what it does is it gives it a bit of slip as well when you're adding in your moisturizer. So I would say the two main products that you need is your water and your moisturizer, and you're literally good to go. Anything else is obviously addition. So a lot of people could use oils, and some people find oils too heavy. But so definitely have your moisturizer. Moisturizers are considered to be creams, lotion, milks, and butters. Those are your four. That's how you'll know what a moisturizer is.